Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today I will tell you about noun clause. But before that, let me introduce our member of group. Alwan Fari Fauzi, student number 2. Ilika Nadia Susena, student number 4. Desyumni Sabrina, student number 8. Eti Zuraida, student number 11. Fatia Anahana, student number 14. Hasna Ramadhani Salim, student number 16. Hema Syauki Ramadhani, student number 17. And the last, Naura Muntazia Amini, student number 25. It's such a great time to learn something new, isn't it? And now, guess what we're going to learn about? Yes, it's noun clause. But before getting into our topic, how about we explore more about a noun and a clause? A noun is a word that gives a name to things, people, place, and even concepts or ideas. You guys could use a noun as the subject or object of your sentence. Let's say, Angel has a lot of wings. In here, Angel as a person act like the subject, while a wing as a thing act like the object. It's kind of easy, right? Move into the further step, a clause. A clause is a group of words that construct a sentence. You should keep in mind that clause is formed by at least subject and a verb. If it is not, then it's simply not a clause. A subject and a verb. What does a clause actually looks like? Number 1, independent clause, which express a clear and complete idea. To put it simple, if you put a point behind independent clause, then boom, it will become a sentence, such as Eci is feeling incredibly happy for having new friends. It's clear, alright? What that sentence want to inform? Because it's independent clause. And do you see, Eci is a subject while feeling is a verb. Number 2, dependent clause, which express unclear and incomplete idea. That's why this type of clause need another clause to make it more make sense. See in this sentence, how is Eci feeling after moving school? You wouldn't know the sentence topic, right? Because it is dependent clause. From this being said, could you conclude about what a noun clause is? That's right. A noun clause is a dependent clause consisting of a subject and verb that function as a noun. It is a part of larger sentence, since a noun clause couldn't stand alone to give its complete topic. You get it? As in, what is Uki's authority as a class leader? You would notice that it's a dependent clause. But if it's changed into we know what Uki's authority as a class leader is, it becomes a noun clause because it acts as a noun. Another important part is noun clauses types or function. Number 1, as a subject, just like a noun clause could act as a subject. Give this example and attention. What time Naura is going to arrive still make us wonder. Do you see what is the subject before the verb? It is a noun clause. Number 2, as an object. Yes, you see it right. Since noun clause act as an object, so either does a noun clause. For instance, I am mesmerized by how Eti is thinking. No doubt, this sentence object after the verb is a noun clause.
Still don't get what it means? Here's some tip to point out a noun clause among sentences. First one, you must remember the thing that stands out the most in a noun clause, which is the question words. Have you realized that during this video, while there are examples of noun clauses being explained, you will see the question marker like what, why, who, where, when, how. Sure, you will because it's the marker part of a noun clause. Another marker words for a noun clause is question words plus either, or just like whatever, whether, that, and if. Here's what you need. Hasna believes that she needs to be a great sister. The object is a noun clause, you know, since there is a marker word that. 2. aware the difference of a noun clause and a question sentence word order. A question sentence would go like, "Where is Hannah teleporting to?" While sure, if you have understood the text already, the question sentence will change its word order when becoming a noun clause. I wonder where Hannah is teleporting to. The difference is all about where the to be is. 3. The question words could also be followed by to infinitive. Do you know it? Get this one. Alwan is uncertain when he should go searching a sponsorship. You could paraphrase it by changing the words after question word into the infinitive. Alwan is uncertain when to go searching a sponsorship. It still has the same meaning. 4. Or the last one is try replacing it with pronouns. If it could be replaced, then it is a noun clause. Another fact to be used for confirming a noun clause, try reusing a past example like, I'm mesmerized by atheist thinking. If you try replacing the noun clause with pronouns and it works like this, I'm mesmerized by it, then it's indeed a noun clause. Why is that? Because you could change it into a question. What does it mean? It means how atheist thinking, or what are you mesmerized by? I'm mesmerized by how atheist thinking. Okay, so it's all about noun, clause, and noun clause. Thank you for watching these videos, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.